Howdy there, guys. This is Old Man Productions. Here today on a rainy Sykesville afternoon. Here comes the cars, maintenance away cars. Old Conrail, more former Conrail. That's a lot of old rail ties. Yeah, these salmon colored cars are interesting. There it goes. It was a short one. Hope you enjoyed that video, guys. What this train's about to do is it's going to go all the way down to Woodstock, throw these cars in the siding, and go through the Woodstock siding, put the train on the back of these cars, drive it back here to Sykesville, back it into the spur, which kind of down the line a bit, way in front of the caboose, around the corner where it would be trespassing to go, and then it'll drop off the cars there and proceed back west. Hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Have a nice day.